What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Let's talk. My microphone wasn't on. New day, great day. Let me check my levels. Friday, y'all. Let's get it locked in. Log, we trading ES. Major news. 5 minutes elapsed. Okay. Lock in, baby. Let's lock in. Try to see this. Big chart. It's really what I'm really focusing on is that and the time it sells and the footprint. Okay, we sweeping these highs, my boy. Crazy thing, it wasn't that much buyers on the previous candle. Let me zoom out a little bit. Little bit. Looking at the profile of current day. See that it's just price didn't really go that far. Maybe we swept the lows and was, respecting our point of control. Sliding. Very high, very high. Okay, what we got going on in the profile? Kind of slowed down right here. But just let the shit happen, y'all. What you gonna do, man? And some sellers there. I just want to buy. Actually not seeing not that much conviction when it comes to the two. We definitely within the range of yesterday's price action here to there. And from here to here, all up in that range. This is just RTH. We even, overnight didn't do that much. And pre-market didn't do that much either. Just fair. Crazy ass, wacky ass, silly ass price action, right? Silly ass, boy. But let's vibe and let it roll. I'll be quiet for a little bit. Let's just vibe out, y'all. What's that? What's that? We got a little activity, my boy. A little activity. Okay. Diary yellow. Range bound, dude. Tell me something, boy. Realized flag on the play. I didn't realize it went down that far. I mean, it wasn't. I didn't realize the discrepancy right there. Flag on the fucking play. But that's why, like, I just took my time just coming into this. We had some technical difficulties setting up our streams. First time streaming, y'all. Goldie, by the way. All this shit free. I'm just documenting my experience and just showing myself that I can do this shit. Just showing up with the wisdom that I have now. That you don't need to be this big ass person, influence or anything like that. Nah, it's none of that. Experience is valid as it is. Zoom out of this. Okay, I see what the discrepancy was. I'll probably have to change this box, but that's some other shit. But nah, just show myself, hey, show up, man. Been doing this shit anyway. Shit free anyway, like. Soak it up, man. Soak up the game. Because this shit is not easy. Some buyers down here after that big sell off. Read the tape. And one thing, boy, you gonna find some buyers that are always at a motherfucking low. A value area low. That's where they gonna be at, my boy. Anyway, just vibing, y'all. It's crazy. This candle just opened up. You see that 1 hour candlestick? Those buyers aren't showing me buy like activity. All right, now what I look for is so like a double top like action. I see some sellers, some buyers exhaustion. That's all I look for on the tick chart. And yeah, that and follow through on my footprint. Simple, but easy said than done, right? Once again, let's stop doing all this goddamn talking. Let's go. I just get excited, y'all. I'm a talker. Can't tell. Okay. Out here, low. 945. Main thing is, it's not getting caught up in the footprint too. I'm just honestly reading it for absorption, strictly for absorption. Time increment absorption. It's just mad. Years, months, days, and weeks of just hitting the fucking, just, just hitting your head, testing shit, going back to the drawing board, testing shit, going back to the drawing board. That experience is still valid, dog. You just gotta see how it's useful for you. Right, going back to value area loop. tape. Look at that tape. Oh, we sped up. Oh, we gotta mitigate it. Oh shit, I gotta change this. PLC mitigated. Good shit. Good shit. Take a unlock. Yeah. Keyboard on. Yeah. See, the double top is like if you reject, it's not right there. Just take a stab at it. It's kind of a double top. Just want to see these sellers continue too. Uh, That it. I'm not sure how much that is, but I do not like that. Get back in again. See, I'm still impulsive. I still got my impulses. That's why I'm low risk right now. Also wanted to give myself a little grace. This is my first stream, just in case some habits, not necessarily say habits, some behaviors. Just give myself grace. See, there you go. Mm. And that's it. And that's really like to be, if I'm being completely transparent, that's like the story of my fucking trading journey right now is just getting getting in but hopping out. Getting in but hopping out. But isn't that everyone's story? I guess. But I'm just getting, see real time, me just growing more confident in my setup and my own analysis. But there we go. Just really giving yourself grace, space, the experience, soak up your own experience and knowledge. I'm living testimony right now. But hey, show up, man. Show up. So usually the way that I trade is just it just really comes down to my tolerance. Um once I feel like, hey man, I got enough data, it's not even about the money, it's about the data. So have I received enough data to be like, am I satisfied with this? Is this something that if this is enough data for me to reflect on and be all right, I can walk away. Some shit is not worth keep on, you know, dabbling and chasing. It's not worth it. It's not worth the mental exposure, the emotional exposure, the spiritual exposure, because it takes forever to fucking wash that shit off, you dog. So it comes back to knowing yourself, man. But that's one thing I am working on: confidence and trusting what I said, reading the fucking tape. This is not no goddamn, it's not I started off what most traders started off: supply, demand, levels, trading support, resistance. It's all the same. It's just one of my main questions was like, damn, how do I know when this shit is failing? And volume was the only thing that answered that. Not volume by um time, but volume by price. And this is what I've been doing. But welcome to the mix, man. Welcome to the motherfucking mix. Um, let's see if let's just continue on, man. I may not take any more setups. I'm gonna call it out as it is. Let's get some more data. So I trade both Nasdaq and ES. Right now I'm trading the micro variant, taking a couple challenges right now. Um, like me showing up in this form, in this format should help me out a shit ton just to challenge myself. So yeah, let's see. Let's grow, baby. Looks like I may have to get my longer, faster internet maybe. Seeing them dropping some frames now. Forgive me, y'all. I'm new to this. I'm better, better, better every day. Not bad, folks. In horizontal view. I'm like I said, my first recording, so we get better at this, y'all. We get better at this. I just realized I was out of frame. Let's do it, man.